I wanted to show you our newest product, the House of Power. What this is this is a electro-pneumatic fill station. It has a capacity of 4,500 PSI, and it has electric valves in it. And so there's only two moving parts in this. And you might ask yourself, well, I have a fill station. Why do I need your fill station? Well, as a field owner, you know that uptime is everything. Time is money. You can't get guys through, customers through your fill stations quick enough. They don't shoot in as much paint, and it's a loss of money. So one of the contributors, as you well know, is fill stations going down. And the manual valves require a lot of maintenance, whereas this fill station has a mean between failure of 10 million cycles. So that's 10 million fills. It pays for itself over a short period of time based on the data we've been given. The physical size is very small, much like the ones you probably already have, if not smaller. All the player has to do is press and hold the button to fill and then release, and it automatically vents. It also displays the pressure, so you can actually watch it. You don't have to listen for the air to stop to say, okay, my tank is filled. You can actually see the rate of fill with the needle. When you do have to service it, there is toolless, so you've got these thumb screws, and the hood comes off, exposing the valves that may need to be serviced. Typically, what you're gonna find is you're only gonna need to clean those valves. It's whatever debris is going through them that may get caught up. So it's simple, just alcohol cleaning, simple maintenance. Usually it's not where they're wearing out. And that's the problem with the current fill stations, is guys are hammering down on them, and they're wearing those brass parts and the plates, and that's problematic, because if you have a young kid that's playing for a birthday party, he doesn't know how hard he's got to push down on it. It's kind of scary for him. This, it's simple. It just push the button, hold it, release when it's filled. So it takes the manhandling out of the equation, right? At a glance, you can see the gauge, know you're filled, off the button, next guy in, and just keep guys rotating through. So that was what we wanted to do. The reason that we came up with a fill station was every year we get people saying, you really need to make a fill station. And so we finally did, but we based the platform on, and I always said I would never design a manual fill station, because when we started building regulators in 2015, we have our own electric valves that we use, and we use them day to day. And so we have tested these for millions of cycles. So that's why I wanted to come up with something. And you might say, well, I just really can't run power. Well, we can provide a battery backup system for under a couple of $100 that you can plug into and run all day on that power. Small lunchbox size power inverter unit, and it'll run this, and you don't need to have power in that location. And then you'll also have power to run from that. You can daisy chain if you want to put a light up or whatever, or a camera to watch the fill station, ring camera, that type of thing. We also wanted to go one step further and actually have a badge that we will put the field name on, laser engrave that on there with the serial number, so that you can track your asset. In the event you need to send it back to us, we know whose it is. It was just kind of a nice touch that we wanted to give field owners, because we know this is an asset that is important to making money with your field.
We made it easy for you. That's nice.
It's bitching, right?
That's nice.